we talk about being rich again, you know, we have friends and family around. We have fish and vegetables on our table. This is a very rich night for us.
The definition, ramen came from Japan. But who cares? To the end of the day, I just make something, make you fulfill what you're eating and make you happy. That's it.
When I got the job in a brewery in Japan, which kind of started this whole adventure of fermentation for me, I would say to the brewmaster, I'd say, oh man, you make the best sake. And he'd say, no, we make the sake together. At one point, my goal was to try and get investment money and try and open up like your typical tap room, tasting room. I realized that if I did that, I would just basically be answering to everybody who invested in it instead of answering to myself.
I can remember 30 years ago, king salmon coming out of Hoh River that were as big as the tailgate on a truck. One fish would feed 3 families. They'd cook it on the fire.
We come from a man by the name of Nishwatz, and he was a whaler with his brother Siktu. This village where this is going to go, the ancestral name is Twawalkut. There's going to be a canoe on each side here.
You have never cooked before you came here? And then you just applied for a job?
Yep, and here we are 4 years later, right?
Yeah.
I hope after he get out from here, learn something from this place. Like cook this stuff from scratch and do it one thing and doing the best every day, make it better.
If you come out here with a good positive mindset and good intentions on your heart, like I need to feed somebody, and there's elders out there that we need to provide for, these elk will always present themselves to you. Yeah, that was the biggest fish I had in my hand in a few years.
It was powerful, huh?
Yeah.